Morning class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a 1-point perspective burst using Sketchpad. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my pen tool, or my drawing palette area, and I'm going to hit pencil. Now I'm just going to create a dot somewhere in the center of my canvas. This canvas is 1024 pixels by 768, which is going to be what I'm requiring for you guys to do for this assignment. And then I'm going to go over here to my shapes palette, and I'm going to choose a shape. I think I'm going to stick with a square and click off of it, and I'm going to just find an area where I'm going to start this. I think I'm going to start right here in the corner. And you can turn your square or shape whatever angle you like. If you want to create a straight shape, you can just click and hold and hit shift to make a straight shape, or just click and drag to create whatever angle you want your shape to be in. I think I'm going to go with this angle to start. I'm going to drag it down a little bit. There we go. We got our first shape. Now I'm going to go over to our drawing tool, and I'm going to select the line vector drawing tool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my fill color, and where the color I chose, I'm going to select a lighter shade of blue. And I think I'm going to not have an outline for this. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the top edge of your shape, and then you're going to want to connect that with the dot, and then find the another corner of your shape and click on it, and then click on the dot where we started off. See. You might have to adjust it a little bit. Let's see. Gonna adjust it a little bit. It's a little on the off. You might have to adjust it just to make sure that your lines match up with your edges here. Okay, I'm going to start off with the bottom layer. So I'm gonna go back to my fill color, and I'm gonna choose a darker shade of this blue, and then go back to my line tool. So I'm gonna start off, and I'm gonna click one corner of my square, and then the other corner of my square. Go down to the point, and then close it off. Looks like the darker color didn't take. That's okay. And your layers palette should be everything that you've drawn so far. So I'm gonna select the last thing that I've drawn, or you could change colors, go back and change colors to anything once you're done creating it. So we've created one of our first shapes in our perspective bursts. I'm gonna go ahead and choose another shape. I'm gonna go with a triangle this time. I think I'm going to pick a nice, let's go with a purple. I like purple. So I'm going to go with a purple triangle, and I'm just going to what angle I want to draw it with. Let's go with this angle. I like that angle. Now I don't really like it right there. I think I'm going to move it over here, and that's fine. Okay, I'm going to go back over to my line tool, and I'm going to use that same area of purple, and I'm going to choose a darker purple this time. And I'm going to click on one corner, click on the other corner, and then find my 1-point perspective dot. and then I'm going to connect it. Now I'm going to go over here and find a lighter shade of purple for my other section and go click on one edge and another edge, and then find my 1 point, go all the way back. Now you can't really see the highlight in this one, but it's okay, you could kind of see it, and as long as you get that effect, it's okay. So this is starting you guys off on how to create a 1 point perspective burst in Sketchpad. And I'm going to post another video showing you the final result.